Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a circle. Select this circle, go to Edit, Copy and paste in front. Hold Shift and display this circle size. Hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this circle. Select this circle, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust. Select small circles, hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust. Do same thing again. Now select this circle and display this size. Again select this circle and display this size and adjust perfectly. Select all, drag shape builder tool. Pick up the fill color, non-destruct color. Draw your design perfectly and carefully. Now select this object and change this to color. Increase the stroke value. Select this object, go to object and expand. Now take shape builder tool and cut stroke value. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.